Hi folks! Here are some seasonal fruits and vegetables in August, and I will be sharing some recipes that I tried.
So we have a watermelon
and a blackberries
and some peppers and tomatoes and zucchinis
and
beans. I love beans, but sweet beans and jalapenos.
Let's start working on a meal prep for next week.
Nice long zucchini noodles.
I will cut these zucchinis in half first. This makes it easier for them to fit inside the spiralizer. We will be making zucchini noodles, also known as Zoodles.
What's yellow? Ooh. Yellow again. Come on. I want green. Green again, yay! Green again, yay!
The easiest way to prepare the Zoodles right before eating is to fry them with some fresh garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. Let's peel this huge watermelon first. I will slice it into strips and set a few bits aside to make a salad later. We will use most of it to make the watermelon juice, which is one of the staples in the summer. I will strain half of the juice and then add the other half together with the pulp to get a perfect blend of fiber and juice. We washed and strained some spinach. We will also need
double watermelon, nuts, and blackberries. I really love those.
Me want to eat one. Me want to eat one.
For the dressing, use 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Let's assemble the salad. Dressing goes at the bottom. Next is watermelon, blackberries, nuts, feta cheese, and lastly spinach.
We are the watermelon salad ninjas!
For this recipe, we will need some chicken breasts. I seasoned them with Montreal chicken spice and cut out a pocket in the middle. Bacon is optional. We will need some shredded cheddar, cream cheese, and jalapenos. Mix the two cheeses and clean out the seeds from the jalapenos, then fill the jalapenos with the cheese mixture. Stuff each breast with 2 peppers, then secure with a toothpick. Wrap the bacon slices around the chicken. Bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Make sure to serve the cooked chicken with the tasty chicken gravy from the tray. For the chili, we will need 8 Roma tomatoes, 3 carrots, 1 red pepper, 2 corn cobs, fresh cranberry beans, 1 can of black beans, tomato paste, 1 onion, 3 garlics, 1 hot chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 3 teaspoons of coriander. Heat up some olive oil, then add onion, hot pepper and garlic. Cook for 5 minutes. Add pepper and carrots and cook for another 5 minutes. Add spices and salt. Fry for 1 minute. Add tomatoes. Together with the tomato paste, add 2 cups of water as well. Add both types of beans and freshly cut corn. Cover the pot and simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. And this is what this meal prep looks like in the end. This was definitely a favorite at home. My husband only skipped the Zoodles, but I loved them. Cheers!